Hi Creativeheads, I'm back with today's DIY projects and today we're making three different things. First we're making this postcard holder. Then I'm going to show you how I made this phone holder with a slot for your phones, 3 slots for your pen and then one for your business cards. And then for the third thing, I'm going to show you how I made this stationery holder. So stay tuned, my name is Sunny and welcome to my channel Handyman. Welcome guys, so today's projects are inspired by the images that I saw on internet. And like always, everything that you need to make today's projects are going to be listed in description box of this video. For each one of these projects, I had to make molds. I used a thick paper sheet, covered it with cello tape, and that's what I used to make all of the molds. Now let's start with postcard holder. On your screens I have template for the mold that I used to make this postcard holder, which is pretty easy. I used this wire which has a coil at one end and the other end is bit bent so that it could grip the solid base. Once I poured the plaster of Paris and water mixture into the mold, I secured the wire in it with the bent part into the mixture. And once that is completely dried, I used white acrylic color to paint this card holder. Now let's see how I made this phone holder. Again, for the phone holder, let's start by making the mold. I have a template on your screens. And for the slots for phone, pen and business cards, I made thinner rectangular shapes and a cylindrical tube for your pens and business cards with hot glue gun and place them into the mold. Now let's go to the final project, which is this stationery holder. I made a cube out of a thick paper sheet covered with cello tape like I did with all of my projects. As you can see, we have 3 separate layers to this mold. For the first layer, I poured a slab of hot glue minus the lowest staircase as shown in the 3D view, and I placed it into the cube mold. Now for the second layer, we have 2 sets of staircase which meet at the lower pocket, which again I made out of hot glue, and I placed that next to the layer first in the final mold. And the third layer only has a top pocket, which is a cuboid that I placed into our final mold. Next I poured a plaster of Paris mixture to our mold, and once it's dried I painted it. And that's how I made today's projects, and these would be perfect for your office desk. I'll see you next week with another DIY project. Until then, bye.